chaos I rise, I hear no sound. Their words can't touch me, I'm heaven bound. In a world so loud, their hate is weak. I find my strength in the peace I seek. Above the noise, I've claimed my space. No shadows linger in this sacred place. Through storms of doubt, I lift my voice. I'm soaring high above the noise. They threw their stones, but I built my dream. Their hate just fueled my golden gleam. A fortress strong where I stand in grace. Their empty words, they leave no trace. I saw their masks, the fake applause, but I moved past, broke all their laws. With every scar I rise, I shine. Their bitterness won't cross my line. Above the noise, I've claimed my space. No shadows linger in this sacred place. Through storms of doubt, I lift my voice. I'm soaring high above the noise. They try to drown me, but I won't fall. Their hate's a whisper, I hear it all. Turn their venom into a melody. Now their spite is just my harmony. I walk in light, their shadows fade. Every move I make, my truth is laid. No fear, no chains, just steady ground. Their hate can't touch the peace I found. Let them talk, let them try. Their words are ashes in the sky. Their noise can't reach my altitude. I'm untouchable, their hate subdued. Above the noise, I've claimed my space. No shadows linger in this sacred place. Through storms of doubt, I lift my voice. I'm soaring high above the noise. So let them shout, let them scream. I'm untouched, I'm living the dream. Their hate's below, it's a hollow plea. I stand my ground above the noise.